Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to my first ever cheapest NATO straps unboxing. Now they did send them to me for free to show off. I often buy straps from cheapest NATO straps. They also have other straps and only NATO. And they had some new nice cotton NATO straps. They said, want to show them off? And I said, yes please. So they send them to me for free. Now the package is previously ripped, so to say when you headphone user guys. And I thought I used my sword to show them off, some of them, because, well, it's a really neutral watch. So something is sticking out already. Let's get into the nice, soft, really soft actually. That's surprisingly nice. Cotton NATO straps. Seems like we have some focus, please. We have some branding, it looks like. On the everything is brushed nicely, feels sturdy. We have a brown. People born in the 80s like me, you see on like all of these movies where the 80s are portrayed as really colorful and vivid. Wasn't the 80s like just like brown? A lot of brown and a lot of Manchester. We have a like a mustardy yellow. I think that would go really nice with my Jack Turner blue and magical. Same hardware, feels nice, it's solid, it's sturdy. Speed it up a bit. We have two more. We have like a blue, baby blue, teal kind of strap. And finally, finalement, we have like a maroon kind of roströd, I would say in Swedish. That's really nice. Let's try this on the Seiko. So the thing with NATOs are that they're really easy to put on your watch. You just take this one through the loop, the other one through the other end, pull it all the way up. And when looking at that blue one, I think that would go really well with my Heim Legacy. Let's yeah, that's really nice. That works really well. Feels good. The watch is on securely. Nice one. Actually, I have the Heim lying around. I did the review. Link up here, guys. Let's try this on the blue. Why don't we? So again, let's feed it through the loop, through the other one. Really, NATOs are a nice, fun, easy way to mix up straps without getting crazy for sending spring bars all over your home. And yeah, that works very nice indeed. Awesome. Cheapest NATO straps, guys. No affiliation other than them being kind enough to sending me these straps. Nice, high quality. This is also one of their really nice soft leathers. Check them out. Link below to cheapest NATO straps. And that's it for this unboxing. Until next time, when I will show off my Seiko Presage, probably. Stay safe, take care, please subscribe and like, and bye bye.